Yeah, by the way, if you were thinking that it would like look really cool to put header wrap on your headers because you wanted to be cool and look cool, and make your car look cool,
like decrease your heat temps. Like,
not worth it
at all.
At all.
Oh, there you go, right there.
Yeah, you don't put that on there.
Alright, hey Zach, it's your buddy Nate here at Tremec. I am in the Tremec Wixom, Michigan lab here with one of our most experienced techs, Steve Johns. You got your transmission on the table here. We're going to go ahead and take it apart and see what you did to it, man. Stay tuned. We got your transmission apart. Steve was kind enough to set some of the parts out for me. A lot of the stuff wasn't anything we didn't really expect to see. Drifting is real hard on it. You assured me that you were going to be very hard on it, so nothing too surprising there. Your reverse gear, I'm not sure exactly how we managed this. You can see all the bluing on this guy. Not really to our liking. This right here indicates that there was a lot of heat. This one's got a little bit of wear. It should look something a little bit more like this. These clutching teeth right here on the gear should have a nice fine point to them. Here again, you should have nice fine points right here. Obviously you've been having some fun with it. That's cool. That's what we want you to do. The fork pads are what go on all your shift forks. We've got a little bit of scoring on this one here. Here you can see the slider, the 1-2 slider, and those teeth right there. The clutching teeth themselves are a little bit ground down. We've got some sort of misalignment issue or something going on here, man, that needs to be addressed. And here on the pilot tip itself, either we got a pilot that's not properly supported or a misalignment issue. I guess getting right to the thing that you sent this in for, your reverse gear. If we look at all the clutching teeth on the gear, you can see there's a little chunk of it missing right there. The clutching tooth ring actually busted off of there, and I'm thinking that was likely what was keeping you from getting into reverse. We need to figure out this pilot support or misalignment issue that you have going on there, so that we can make this rebuild last a little while for you.
All right, special delivery. Can you guys guess what's back from Michigan? All right, pull it out. This is Christian, by the way. All right, it's really heavy, so. Oh my gosh, fuck.
It's okay, Zach. Dude, chill, let me just help you. Chill, stop trying to be manly. Dude, you're gonna hurt yourself. you know, vlogging is helping, so.
I haven't eaten today. I'm so hungry. All right, Christian. What's going on?
I am managing.
It's pain, isn't it?
Yeah, Zach's cables. Butthole. Okay, you know what?
All right, go ahead, Christian. What were you saying?
Focusing on me, okay? I'm managing Zach's cables right here because it's a kind of a shit show, and he's not really.
And then, what's going on over there, Christian?
Where?
Chris.
I mean, Chris. Well, both your names are Chris, so.
Well, are you Christopher?
I'm Christopher.
Yeah, see, that's what Chris is.
Yeah.
People who
All right.
call me Chris, I'm like, fuck you.
Yeah, no.
All right.
I totally understand.
Are we having a
that,
debate
though.
about?
We're not debating about which one's Chris.
All right. I just want to know what you're doing.
What am I doing? I'm taking off your fucking header as well as I'm taking off your spark plug wires from your LS. I don't know. Because they all look the fucking same. LS3.
There was some heat damage from the Corsa rally that we did. We had that O'Reilly's clutch on there, and the clutch slave cylinder was extremely difficult to reach, so you couldn't bleed it. On my clutch slave cylinder now, I'll give you a little illustration. We have this guy. That extends all the way in through the transmission tunnel into the cabin, and right there is my bleeder valve that I can just unscrew loose. I'll show you inside the car. So right up here, there's a hole where the bleeder valve comes in through, and I can crack it loose. Before the trip, we didn't have that, and to be able to get access to bleed your clutch, we took this 8 mil or a 10 mil 1/4 inch socket. We had to slide it on top of it with my arm like this, and then I had to reach down and grab my 1/4 inch ratchet and then attach it to the socket, break it loose, and then have fluid drain all down my arm and onto my body. And it was a pretty poor way of doing it. What's that?
That's like.
And what we ran into was an issue with the header's clearance being too close to the line, and when we were down at SEMA, it overheated the line and it busted. So there was a lot of clutchless driving. There was a lot of stop signs and hills where we couldn't turn off the car, and the reason we couldn't turn off the car is because of all the electrical issues we were having. And so when you have your car in first gear, the car is turned on, and you're putting your foot on the brake, it creates a lot of heat, which ruined our input shaft, caused a lot of like wear and damage to a transmission that had so little miles on it. But anyway, we're all rebuilt and ready to slide back in. What's happening?
Worst fucking thing in the world.
Does that suck, Chris? Yeah, by the way, if you were thinking that it would like look really cool to put header wrap, start to remove it and throw it in the trash.
Pizza time, boys.
Have you ever had something this bad?
We're dining tonight, boys. That's fine. We got the cinnamon bite. What's up?
After licking those things on Zach.
There's something I'm gonna have to give you. Exposure. So far,
Okay, you know what?
What I've seen
I'm
here.
working on
Alright, so Ahmed and Robbie are eager and anxious to drive in the E36. They really want to get this transmission installed.
Hard work, baby. Hard work, baby.
And so what we're doing is we just removed, what do we remove, do you know? So down here, well, I mean, you know what this is, right?
The shifter?
Okay, what do you think, Robbie?
I know, but I don't know how to say it in English.
Okay, so in English, well, okay, what is it in Italian?
Français, là, for piston.
Does that mean, what do you do with your foot?
Je crois.
It's a clutch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, piston. The clutch.
This is the clutch. Okay. This is a 6-puck single disc clutch. Okay. This is the disc.
Disc, yeah.
Okay, that's the clutch disc. This is called the pressure plate. What's that?
I guess another part of the clutch.
So what's in the clutch system?
Are you serious, man?
That's...
And you want me to
I don't know.
in English too?
That's another level, man.
And when you engage the clutch, the pressure plate applies the disc to the flywheel, which spins the assembly in the engine.
Oh, okay.
Let's go over there, and you tell everybody what you're doing. Can you explain?
Alright, for now, we're ripping like this piece of paper
Uh-huh.
in water, and then we gotta just stuff it inside the hole in there.
Okay.
I don't know why we're doing that, but we're
No,
gonna stuff it
to
inside.
remove the. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay.
To remove the.
The pilot bearing.
Exactly. Good
That's what he was about to say.
See, that's exactly what I was about to say. All right, you guys are doing a great job. So, we stuffed it full of paper. And as you can see, if you move the flashlight around, we've actually pulled it out halfway already. So now we ran out of paper, we just need a little bit more. It's so cool to watch it come out. Done. Yeah, watch, okay, go. This one. Right.
Mission accomplished.
Then we can get access to the oil plug that is. So I think we've got our iPhone. It's right there. Yeah, it's right in there. So I got to hammer the top of that. And hopefully this will be positioned correctly to keep oil from coming out.